Well, it's paint day. So we're gonna try to get in here, get down with it, put a little color on this Camaro. Got to suit up, get everything ready. The stage here is where all your time is gonna show and pay off. Hopefully, as long as everything's doing right. So, well, our first stage is what we'll do is we'll turn our mixer machine on, kind of get everything loosened up, steered up. Probably mix up a medium gray sealer to go under the red, help with coverage and everything. Supernova. That's what I like to spray the single stage clear and everything with. Close enough. So that one will be that one. So what we're doing, we're mixing up our sealer, which is our undercoat, to go under the red. I'll mix up another one. I'll tell Vince, or well, not Vince in particular, but anybody that is doing a car, you spend, hey, we got 500 hours of metal work on that Packard, you know, and for example on it, and then a couple hundred in the body work, so you have 800,000-900,000 hours before it gets to this step. You know, most people can do the math on that, you know. So you get to this stage, and this is a small part of the overall build, you know. To do that body, I'll spend 8 to 10 hours in here today doing just that, and that's nothing compared to, you know, the time it takes to get it in there. And you can spend 5 minutes and screw up something, and it take days to straighten it out.
That's why you don't let people in here.
That's why you try to. Well, it could be as simple as talking to somebody, mixing up this right here, and forget to put the hardener in. And then I go in there and paint it, and it don't get hard. Well, if I don't realize that, and I put paint over the top of it, there could be a reaction. It could not get hard, or it could get hard on top and not underneath, and then you got to strip it all back down. Just like that, in a matter of just seconds of, you know, just a slight little distraction. Ain't really much to talk about. Gotta have your paint shoes up. You see how nasty they are.